Hi, this is Mike Aceta, the General Manager for Enterprise Connectivity here at ADI. I'm here today to talk to you about growing your business with network cabling and introducing you to our Enterprise Connectivity sales team. Our sales team is here to support your needs in the enterprise cabling portion of your business. As we like to say, we support you from the jack to the rack. Here is a map of the Enterprise Connectivity sales team and the regions that they cover. This experienced sales group supports your existing ADI sales team from a technical and product identification perspective. In addition to this sales team, we also have a senior sales engineer who's available for you to help design and identify the proper product for your particular project. Here's the agenda for today's presentation. We're going to do a quick structured cabling overview. Then we're going to go through the components of a network structured cabling system. We're then going to discuss the vendor partners that we support here at ADI, and then ADI's role in helping you grow your business. When we talk about network cabling infrastructure, we're really talking about the backbone of all the systems we install in the commercial, industrial, and even residential spaces. This infrastructure supports phone systems, computer systems, physical security systems, AV, and many other applications. Structured cabling has become a key component to many systems outside of telecom. Structured cabling is used to connect fire panels, acts as the backbone for building automation and building management systems, and connects monitoring systems to key building management personnel. This diagram shows a typical fire alarm installation using fiber optic or category cable, and also as a central communicator for a campus environment with multiple buildings. Untwisted pair or category cable is the most commonly used cable for today's network infrastructure. Copper cable is identified by three distinct categories: Cat5e, Cat6, and Cat6a. Each category offers its own specific set of features and benefits. Our sales team can help you find the right cable for your particular project. Power over Ethernet utilizes category cable to provide power and Ethernet connection to network devices. The newly ratified IEEE 802 100 watt standard will certainly be driving the need for more category 6A cable to support these installations. Here's a quick look at all of the PoE standards as they're presently constituted. From the original PoE standard to the most recently ratified standard of 4PPoE, which stands for 4-pair power over Ethernet. This standard allows for 99.9 watts of power to be pushed over a 4-pair cable. When looking at a copper cabling installation, we have to look further than just the copper cable. A system is only as good as its weakest link. So at ADI, we support best-in-class products from a copper connectivity component perspective. That includes patch panels, patch cords, jacks, blocks and cross-connect, housings, and faceplates. Next, we're going to look at cable management and pathways. Cable management is often overlooked as a key component to the cable installation. Cable management is made up of J-hooks, ladder rack, cable tray and wire basket, and fiber interduct. The cable management supports and contains the cable during installation and provides easier access for future moves and changes. There are key standards that need to be followed when installing cable management. Those include cable fill rates, bend radius, and spacing. One of the fastest growing segments of the cabling infrastructure is fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable provides high bandwidth over longer distances. Available in two different types of glass, single mode and multi-mode. Single mode offering a larger bandwidth over longer distances, while multi-mode is a more cost-effective alternative for shorter distances. Fiber optic cable is offered in many different constructions for your specific needs. They can be armored, non-armored, tight buffered or loose tube, type buffered is typical in campus environments, where loose tube is more prevalent in long haul and high strain count environments. And then, of course, indoor, outdoor, plenum, riser. These are all different types of constructions that we here at ADI can help you identify for your next project. Much the same as a copper cabling system, the fiber optic cabling system is made up of many components. We at ADI offer best-in-class product when it comes to connectors, enclosures, patch cords, splicing and toolkits, trunk and pre-terminated cables, and fiber media converters. Next, we're going to look at racks and cabinets. Oftentimes, racks and cabinets are looked at as another piece of bent metal, but we understand that proper cabinet and rack design can ensure that your equipment works to its peak efficiency. Also, with a proper rack and cabinet layout, will give your technicians the access they need to keep your project on time and on budget. Some of the variations we look at when designing a cabinet are the various widths and depths, venting, cable management, access, grounding options, fan, and door choices. We can also offer cabinet level security. Power and cooling is a key component to our network infrastructure. Our cooling products allow for the network appliances to operate at optimum performance and life expectancy. Power products protects the network against surges and power outages. Some considerations when designing a power and cooling system are hot and cold aisle containment, power distribution units, UPSs or uninterrupted power supplies, cable management, computer room AC or CRAC units and in-row cooling units, and data center infrastructure management. This slide shows some of the key components in choosing the right PDU or UPS for your project. In choosing the right UPS, you'll need to know the voltage requirements, quantity of inputs and outputs, runtime needed, and whether it's managed or unmanaged. When deciding on what PDU to use, you'll need to know, is it vertical or horizontally installed, the inputs, output types and quantity, and whether the PDU needs to be metered or managed. Cellular booster systems take the cell signal from outside the building and through a donor antenna, repeat the cell signal within the building. In the early days of cell phones, it was thought that 80% of usage would originate outside of the building, when in actuality, 80% of usage originates within the building. The systems we support are FCC approved, easy to design and install, they're carrier agnostic. There are systems for commercial, industrial, residential, and fleet applications. We have an engineer on staff to help you identify the right solution for you and your customers. An important component to any cable installation is testing and certification. The key factor in selecting a tester is understanding the need for verification or certification. In choosing a verification tester, that tester merely verifies that the cable is connected properly. Choosing a certification tester guarantees the cable system is in compliance with industry standards. These testers also provide test results that can be saved, downloaded, and presented to the customer. Most cable certifiers also offer troubleshooting tools to assess problems within the installation. Here we have an illustration of a verification tool and certification tools. The verification tool to the left can run from $80 to $100, where the certification tools to the right can run from $7,000 to $20,000. Here at ADI, we can help you determine what the right tool is for your budget and your projects. Your ADI Enterprise Connectivity Account Specialist is available for your project registration needs. Let ADI team up with you and our vendor partners to make sure you have the right product at the best price. At ADI, we pass all the savings for the project back to you. Here's a look at our current enterprise connectivity line card. At ADI, we strive to offer best-in-class products for all the major datacom categories. Our line card continues to evolve, and for an updated list of manufacturers that we support, please contact your local ADI Enterprise Connectivity account specialist. And finally, let us help you. Let us help you be more profitable. Let us help you be more important to your customer. And let us help you expand your service offering. Let us lend a helping hand in your next network cabling project, your switch and media converter installations, your rack and cabinet designs and layouts, your power and cooling choices, your outside plant opportunities, choosing the right test equipment for your projects. And finally, let us keep you updated on the latest trends and technologies. I want to thank the ESA for the opportunity to present to you today, and we at ADI look forward to growing your business with network cabling. Thank you.